Today's video is going to be my favorites for the month of August. I will keep this short and sweet because I don't have much time and I haven't filmed in a few weeks and I'm trying to keep this channel up, guys. I really am. It's so hard with a baby and everything else going on, but let's go ahead and jump in. I did want to talk about, first thing, this is Bare Minerals 5-in-1 BB Advanced Performance Cream Eyeshadow Broad Spectrum SPF 15 in the shade Rich Camel. I've been using this Bare Minerals cream eyeshadow as an eyeshadow base. I packed my MAC, what do you call it, soft ochre paint pot and in my suitcase, and we're going on vacation soon, and I packed that and I started realizing I didn't have any other eyeshadow primers that I loved lately. You know, I have my old Urban Decay one, but I think it's kind of going bad, and so I tried this cream shadow underneath, and it's just Rich Camel. I mean, you can see it's a little bit darker than my skin. I just put it right there. But once I blend it out, it's not a full coverage thing, you know. And it just cancels out any veins or anything on your eyelid, but it makes my eyeshadow not crease. It makes it last a long time. And if I don't want to put anything else, I'll just put that on my lid and not carry it up to my brow bone, and then do a color in the crease, and it looks like I did my eyeshadow, just a soft, natural look. So I really been digging that. And then I got this Bare Minerals. I swear it's not all Bare Minerals, but this just happens to be another one I'm loving. This is the Ready Eyeshadow 2.0. It's their little duo of the overachievers, what it's called, schmooze and get ahead. And basically, it's just this perfect little, try not to blind you, duo. And let me show you. Basically, you've got your shimmery bronze and your neutral brown that's matte next to it. And then if I'm running late and I want to be quick, you know, that I can do an entire eye look with that. I usually use that, and then my highlighter, my whitish kind of off-white color under the brow and on the inner corner, and I'm done. I love it if I have enough time to do an outer V, a darker shade. I love if I have a peachy shade for the transition. If I don't have time for that duo and using my highlighter underneath the brow and in the inner corner, I'm good. So that has been really handy lately. Also, an oldie but a goodie, the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I pulled this out. It was in a set, I think, from last Christmas. I had never opened it. I pulled this out because my favorites, the Essence Lash Princess Mascara, is starting to go. It's a little bit dry, and I need to purchase a new one. I'm kind of waiting until they have buy one, get one half off Essence at Ulta. It's only $4.99, but I buy more than one because they're so good. And so usually every other month they have a buy one, get one half off. So I'm trying to cut into my other mascaras, and this brand new Benefit one was sitting in my drawer. I was like, oh, I used to love that. And I used it today. I mean, I don't know. You can't tell. You totally can't tell. I'm digging it, okay? Just know I'm digging it. And then the IT Cosmetics Secret Sauce. This is their clinically advanced miraculous anti-aging moisturizer. I really like this stuff. I've been using it. I think I've had 2 pots of this as free gifts or 100-point perks or something. And I love it. I'm not going to buy the full price because I'm cheap, but I really do like it. And I want to tell you, if you do purchase full-priced items like moisturizer at Sephora, try that. It's really good. It's rich but not too rich, and it's made for just every skin type. It's not oily, not for oily, not for dry. It's just perfect for what I am right now, which is normal skin. I don't get super oily. I'm not super dry. It's been great. So I love that. And then just a couple more products. This is the Balms in the Balm of Your Hand, Volume 2. It's their greatest hits. Basically, this is an amazing palette. It has a bronzer of Bahama Mama, and then 3 blushes. One of them's Down Boy Shadow Blush, Frat Boy Shadow Blush, and an In-Stain Blush. This one is Houndstooth. So those are the 3 bigger products. I'm going to hold it up in a second to show you. And then you have 4 eyeshadows in Matte Reed from the Meat Match Ramoni palette, Firm from the Nude Dude palette, Alice Copper from the Rockstar palette, and Meet Matte Adore, Matte Russo, and the Mary Luminizer highlighter. So I'm going to hold it up for you so you guys can see. I know it's upside down. Probably should just hold it this way for you, huh? Try not to blind you with the mirror. Here we go. So it's awesome because you can use those blushes as your eyeshadows as well. I like to use the highlighter in here, the bronzer, whichever blush I feel like using, one of these 3 all the time. But then I use Frat Boy. I've been really liking Frat Boy. It's a peachy blush as my transition eyeshadow. And it says it's a shadow/blush, so it makes sense. And then I use this one in my crease with a little bit of that and the outer V and bronzy. I mean, and you can mix this highlighter shade, which is a shimmery white, with any of these deeper shades and get it to be shimmery and pretty. So I put those like the plum all over my lid, shimmery. This is an awesome palette. They have a volume 1. This is Greatest Hits volume 2. And I think they have some overlap in shades, which is why I only have one of them. I would totally consider buying a volume 3 though. This is great for travel. I mean, you have 9 things that could be used as cheek or eye. I mean, well, you maybe wouldn't use these purple ones as your cheek, but 9 shadows and a good size mirror, good quality, they last all day, and the in-stain blushes are amazing. If you have oily skin or you find that your blushes just like disappear on you all the time, if you find that your blush just is gone by noon and you're like, where is it? The in-stain blushes are amazing. And then last but not least, I have this lip product that I've been wearing this whole video. This is Bite Beauty's, try to read it, High Pigment Pencil in Rhubarb. It's like a little crayon. And rhubarb is like almost like my cutting into fall, a little bit deeper nude. It's just a little bit rosy, a little bit browny. It's very, I don't know, I guess it's neutral because it's a little bit of both, but it feels like creamy on the lips. It lasts a decent amount of time. It's very hydrating. Like, I feel like I can wear this instead of chapstick and I don't feel like I'm like, ugh, I can't wait till I can take this off and put chapstick on. You know what I mean? Like, I can forget it's on my lips. It's not super thick, but it also doesn't feel drying either. That's it. So that is it for the products that I've been loving the month of August. Comment down below with products you guys have been loving for the month and let me know if there's anything you want to see me try or review on camera. Thanks for watching. Bye.